this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a home button on your Samsung phone. So if you just have a little line on the bottom right here, and you don't like that because it's difficult to navigate everything, we'll turn on the button type navigation right here. So you can just switch to this. This will add a back button, a home button in the middle, and then a switcher where I can switch different apps or close it. So to get here, it's very simple. Swipe down from the top right, go to settings. Then we can go to the top and we can just type in gestures. This one is going to be swipe gestures specifically, but depending on your version or even the brand of your phone, if you just type in gestures, you should be able to see this pop up. And we're looking for swipe gestures, navigation bar. So this could be in a completely different place. So we're just looking for gestures, and you can see the keyword is in a bunch of different places here. I want to go to display navigation bar, and you can see I can switch it from swipe to button right here. So it's going to be somewhere on your phone under gestures. Mine is under display navigation bar swipe gestures. So there's not many of them that are going to pop up, so you just have to go through here if you can't really find it. Otherwise, you can go to display navigation bar, and this is how you do it on your Samsung phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.